All right, I'll just chuck on 15 grams of granola. I'm being so freaking healthy. I'll toss on a serving of peanut butter, 30 grams. Beautiful. Maybe a little bit more. Very nice. I don't know why it's taken me so long to lose this gut. And I'll finish it off with 20 grams of honey. Beautiful. Looks good to me. Perfect low-cal breakfast. Hopefully this finally helps me start to lose this freaking weight. You're wondering why that belly's not going away, but yet you're not measuring or tracking anything. If you want to start actually making progress and lose that excess fat, it's time to break out the food scale. That way we can measure exactly what's going in, track daily, and adjust accordingly. Your nutrition cannot be a guessing game, and if you're ready to take the guesswork out of it, drop me a follow and I'll give you the best nutrition strategies to feel and look amazing.